The depth is something that we're gonna build during camp. We have a lot of guys with a lot of talent. We need guys who are gonna be consistent and be able to come in when somebody gets hurt. There's a lot of guys on the offensive line that can play right now. They can start, but we need those guys. I mean, those guys need to understand how to play the game, because some of them haven't had that experience yet. So behind me we have guys like Chaz Cheeks, we have guys like Nick Medical, we have guys like Tyler Stargell, who are coming along, Anthony Williams, Chris Crenshaw. Those guys. Chris Crenshaw is a senior too, so those guys have a little bit of experience, but they're definitely going to need to come around come season time.
I hear what you're saying about what's important to you is that you know you're improving. Yeah. Would it mean something to you to be like all ACC or to be all American?
No, I really wouldn't be.
Really?
Because I've listened to all ACC guys. I don't really I'm like, you watch the game. So I really don't. I can care less about what they're doing for all ACC. All I care is I know what level I'm supposed to play at. I expect a lot of myself as a player. I expect a lot of my teammates, and they understand that. So I'm not really. I can care. I'd rather not just. I really care.
What told you last year?